This is Bishop Lynch, and I want to invite you to our New Year's virtual Gospel Explosion Revival. And that's beginning on Sunday morning, February 14th, 11 a.m. with our special guest speaker, Pastor Evangelist Cheryl Frazier. You don't want to miss it. And then, of course, we skip Monday night and we go to Tuesday night. Our special guest speaker is the Prophet Robert Booker Jr. That's on Tuesday, February 16th, 7 o'clock p.m. And then we climax on Wednesday night, 7 p.m. with that man that says, I believe God, the prophet and one and only, Roger Secure, formerly of Pasadena, California. And then it's going to be virtual. The Revival Time Community Church of God in Christ presents this live on Zoom and then Facebook Live. You want to join us on Facebook Live, and you can see that you can dial in at 669-900-6833. The Zoom ID is 218-966-2221. And it's going to be powerful preaching, miracles, healing, and deliverance. You don't want to miss this New Year's virtual Gospel Explosion Revival. I'll see you there in Zoom and on Facebook Live.
Secret.